Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Gyroscope effectively in PUBG Mobile. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To use the Gyroscope effectively in PUBG Mobile, simply learn to master your recoil. So as you can see, by tilting your phone down and back for strays, and then start with low sensitivities around 75 to 100 for no scope, lower for scopes, and practice consistently with the training ground to build muscle memory for smooth tracking and precise aim, combining it with your finger control for flick and complex movements. Focus on gradual sensitivity adjustments and use crouch prone for added stability to become a full gyro player. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.